Hello, I'm calling about a coffee machine I purchased from your website. It stopped working even though I haven't had it for very long. I expected it to last much longer than this.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Our warranty covers products for up to a year. Do you know when you bought it?
I've had it for a little over a year, so the warranty is probably just expired. This is so disappointing.
Well, I'll tell you what we can do. Although we can't replace it, since you're a valued customer, I can offer you a coupon for 40% off your next purchase.